Are you being annoyed by the Basebrd Library DLL error causing system instability? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer, and I'll walk you through the diagnostic steps to fix your execution path. As we look at the manual steps for Basebrd Library, there is also a diagnostic resource for reviewing your overall system health. This is the Basebrd Library, the Windows-based branding library. It houses the localized icons, logos, and localized string tables for the About Windows dialog and system properties. If missing, system branding will revert to a generic placeholder. With that background out of the way, here is how we actually restore the missing component. Basebrd is a fundamental part of the Windows execution layer. To fix it, launch command prompt as an administrator and run sfc/scan now to perform a diagnostic scan and repair of all protected system resources. Should the file remain missing after a reinstall, we need to ensure that the operating system is forced to re-index its shared library paths. A simple restart can resolve file-in-use errors that mimic a missing Basebrd library message. It's a low-effort step that ensures your operating system starts with a clean execution stack. Don't forget to bookmark the video or give it a like before you restart. It's the fastest way to jump right back into this tutorial after the reboot. If you're still stuck after the reboot, stay with me. We're going to try a more targeted approach now. You can pause the video whenever you need to follow along. Rebooting didn't restore the monitoring tools, so let's run a command to reset the performance indicators. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type locktr/r, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, these files rarely suffer from physical corruption. Instead, their registration in the performance hive becomes desynced. This command purges those stale entries and rebuilds the registry links. Let's look at a key safety rule that will keep your PC protected while we address this error. It is important to avoid manual installation of Basebrd Library DLL if you are not a technical expert. One wrong move in your system directory can prevent your computer from booting entirely and result in data loss. Instead of relying solely on manual updates, you can maintain your system environment using a professional maintenance utility. A recommended diagnostic path for Basebrd library management is outlined in the software resource linked below. To support our technical team and receive updates on Basebrd library resolutions, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel.